Hello, everybody. All right, here we are with Expedia from the Nasdaq. Monthly candles, 10-year data. We have everything. And all right, let's start with the ascending. Ascending trend line here. Was that an ascending trend line? Maybe not. Hard to extrapolate. All right, so maybe that's not what we're having. We had right here is a pattern. We have more. Okay, first of all, I'd like to give myself here the black area, and we can even squish this down to get even more green. Black area here permits me to envision better there the actual chart pattern that's in place. Okay. We have these like this. So right now, we could think that we have still an ascending channel here on the monthly candle charts for the past till January 2015. Yeah. I'm going to set my alerts at this is the resistance at the 157 level. Anything above that, we'll have to look at the pattern, technical chart pattern, and see what the implied target would be. And we seem to have some support here around the $100. So that's going to be my range we're going to be looking at right now. Ascending channel within those two, the price is closer to the breakdown line. Let's see if we had some divergence with the RSI. Price action goes up, peak to peak. RSI, the price action, the RSI goes down. So we have some bearish divergence right here, explaining this move that decided to jot down a little bit through that pressure because of the bearish divergence. And that looks like that here. So right now, I don't think there's any play. I'd wait until we get either test of this support here at 100, and then we'd have like a head, or just could be just a rectangle here that's going to continue patterning out and hitting in between. Or here's the alternate move, is a bounce off this support line, ascending channel. Either go test that 156 here, or eventually if it busts after that, then upwards could it go. So this would be the eventual target if it would break in between above that pattern would continue here. This would be the implied move all the way to 213. And let's say for that same height to bottom, if ever we have a breakdown below the resistance line of the ascending channel and back to this important resistance, then this big top pattern, which could probably resemble maybe head and shoulders eventually, would imply a target all the way to about $46, which coincides with some support right here that dates back to July 2013. So I'm going to set an alert here just in case all these lines disappear and I forget about Expedia. If ever those alerts get triggered, I'll bring me right back to it, and I'll get to see how this played out. So right now, unless you're in already, I don't have an entry. I really have to wait until I have a breakout above, a monthly candle breakout above 157, or a monthly candle breakdown below the 100 level, and then I would have my targets here around 47 and my bullish target around 215. That's how I'm reasoning my way through Expedia right now. No man's land. So either, I think I'm going to stay with that this way. Wait till these alerts get triggered and then come back to it. All right. So that's it for our little friend Expedia. And always reminding you to go back and take a look at badcharts.com. The how-to, very important stuff. I don't really cover this stuff just in parts in these podcasts, but I really we'll get down to this when risk and management protocols are. We're going to go through this eventually once we get a monthly candle above breakout point or breakdown, and then we'll go through how I apply this, my risk and money management protocols through the classical charting principles, which give us indicate when there's a breakout to play and the implied target with the move. All right, thank you very much, and until the next post, see ya.